Oh yeah, right, and welcome back on this channel. So today we are back with another video. In today's video I'm gonna show you on how to set up a VPN app and get a super fast and a secure connection, extra protection when you are using the internet. So this app is on Google Play Store. So let me take this chance to welcome all viewers or subscribers of the channel that you are highly welcomed. So the app is on Google Play Store. Open Google Play Store where you can search and install Android apps. And this app is known as XXPICore Tunnel. That's the name of the VPN app. So you install the app. Among the presented, you pick this one. So install this app on your device. This app will help you to secure your connection, add extra layer of security when you are online. So among the presented, opt for this one and open the app. And as you open this app, just in case you are new on the channel, you have not yet subscribed on this channel, take this time to like, share and subscribe on this channel for more useful content. And when you reach the home screen of this app, you are required to do some settings. First of all, you tap on these 4 buttons in the upper left corner. Then you opt for online update. Among the presented, opt for online update. And when you tap on online update, you are giving this app a chance to update to the latest version, providing you with the best experience and the best service when you are using the app. So after you are updating the app to the latest version, you are required to pick a server. Among the presented here where you see auto server, you are required to tap here. Then you can pick your desired server, but I recommend you to pick auto select server option. This is because the app will automatically pick the best performing server in your region. So make sure to pick auto select server so that you can secure your connection. And the other setting is you are required to pick a connection method. So for today's video, we are gonna use the UDP or countries Hysteria. This is because UDP Hysteria is working for all countries which support UDP, and UDP is super fast and secure when you are online. So just in case your country supports UDP, this option will work for you. So make sure to pick UDP as your connection method in case your country supports it. And if your country does not support UDP, tap here, and then from here you will be able to pick your country name so that you can secure your connection. So for today's guide, please you pick UDP. And the other setting is you are required to add on time right up here. So you tap on this button. You can see that I have little time here. I only have 58 minutes. So to utilize this button, the hours will increase, or the connection time will increase. So you tap on this button and then you follow all the prompts to add on your connection time so that you can stay connected for a long session. Please note that in case you run out of time, the app will not work. And after doing that, after adding on time, you are required to initiate a super fast and a secure connection by tapping on this start button. And when you tap on this start button, this app will be connected and your connection will be secured. And that's how we set up XXPICore Tunnel to get a secure connection, extra protection when you are online. And let's meet in the next video. Please like, share and subscribe on this channel for more useful content.